Good morning, student. With you, Mrs. May, science teacher, to cover seeing colored object. Slide 1. As we know before that white light consists of 7 spectrum colors. When we mix these 7 colors again, they form the white light. How we can see colored object? First, slide number 3. First, seeing translucent and transparent colored object. The translucent and transparent colored object allow only their color to pass through them or to transmit through them, so we can see its own color only. Slide 4. Opaque colored object. First, white colored object or white opaque colored object. The white opaque colored object reflect all the colors of light, so we see them in white color. Slide 5. Seeing black opaque object. The black opaque object absorb all colors of light, so we see them in black color. Slide 6. Seeing colored opaque object. The colored opaque object reflects its own color, so when white light falls on a yellow banana, we see it in yellow color because it absorbs all light colors and only reflects its own color, yellow. Slide 7. Give reason. The red apple is seen red because when white light falls on the apple, it absorbs all the color and reflects the only red color. The apple seems to be black through green glass sheet because apple absorb all light and allow or reflect the red color to pass. The reflected red light can't transmit through green glass sheet, so we see the apple in black color, as we see here in slide number 8. Slide 9. There are 2 types of colored light, primary colored light and secondary colored light. The primary colored light, there are type of colored light that can't be produced by mixing other colors, red, green and blue. And if we mix these primary colored, they produce white light. The secondary colored light, they are colored light produced by mixing 2 of the primary colors. Example, yellow, magenta and cyan. As we see in slide 10, when we mix red and green, they produce yellow. When we mix red and blue, they produce magenta. When we mix blue and green, they produce cyan. Slide 11, questions on lesson 2. Write the scientific term. The light which is produced by mixing the 7 spectrum colors, white light. Number 2, the light that's impossible to be produced by mixing 2 of the other colored lights, primary light. The object that reflects all the light colors falls on them, white opaque object. Cyan, magenta and yellow colored light, secondary colored light. Thank you, dear students. See you in the next lesson.